Now we want to take a close look at the COVID-19 trends that could impact school reopening. Leaders made it clear the state's coronavirus trends are moving in the wrong direction right now, especially true with hospitalizations. They reached a new high today at 739. Take a look at that yellow line. It shows the 7-day average, and it's been climbing for nearly a month now. But North Carolina says it still has plenty of hospital beds and ventilators available at this moment. Well, now here's a look at how daily cases are trending. Again, paying attention to the yellow line. It's going up over the past 2 weeks, and partially that's because we've got more testing going on now. But today, state officials also saying this could be the result of phase 2. That reopening started 2.5 weeks ago, and then we could start to see the numbers from that now. The effects of phase 2 showing up in the percentage of positive tests. The yellow line climbing slightly in the past 2 weeks, and it's never been higher. While a return to school depends on those numbers, some student athletes will be back on the field in North Carolina as soon as next week. So we continue our coverage right now at 5 with sports anchor Matt Harris looking at the rules to bring school sports back to North Carolina.
The North Carolina High School Athletic Association announced that all sports can resume on a limited basis beginning next week on June 15th. We know that Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools will wait to start sports back up. All high school sports in North Carolina can return next week, but must follow the strict guidelines provided. All coaches and students must be screened daily for any symptoms. That will include daily temperature checks. Student athletes, coaches, and administrators must also adhere to strict guidelines about gatherings and use of equipment. This is the association's first phase of a 3-phase plan for a return to play for high school sports in North Carolina. In phase 1, hand sanitizer must be readily available. Athletes must shower at home, and gatherings for workouts cannot last longer than 90 minutes. According to the guidelines, athletes will still be required to social distance with groups no larger than 25 outdoors or 10 indoors. Commissioner Q. Tucker has said individual school districts have the autonomy to implement stricter guidelines than what they've laid out. The NCHSAA hopes to announce guidelines for phases 2 and 3 in the weeks to come. In Charlotte, I'm Matt Harris.
Now, the Charlotte-Mecklenburg School District says it does not plan to return athletic practices until July the 6th. CMS says the extra few weeks will allow the district to put procedures in place, train staff, and to make sure necessary equipment is ready to go.